gang, I want to give you a little bit of feedback today on the Precision Quilting Tools wooden quilt hanger. We were looking for a way to display one of our treasured quilts and stumbled upon this and fell in love with it. Now I want to answer a couple questions that I've seen online about this and also tell you why we bought it. First and foremost, we bought it because we wanted a way to display our quilts on a kind of more modern look. We didn't like the knobby designs of some of those that we had seen that have knobs extruding off of them to tighten them down. Instead, this has all of the hardware you need to crank it down on the back side flush, so it is a nice flush look. Now, online I've seen a few questions. Number one, can it hold heavy quilts? Absolutely. It's crafted with these pinch bolt clamps, and so the hanger can support textiles up to a 1/4 inch thick. One reviewer is reporting hanging a 25-pound rug with it. So yes, it can hang heavier textiles. Now, I would tell you, if you're going to do something that heavy, make sure that you either hit a stud when you're hanging it or you use wall anchors. Secondly, question I've seen is, does it come with mounting hardware? Yes, it includes the stainless steel screws, the pinch bolts, a hex wrench, the right size that you need. But the most important part that it comes with that we absolutely love is there is a cardboard template, so you can position everything easily. You literally can pin the cardboard template on the wall, draw your holes to the exact space that you need to recess them. It makes hanging it so much better, so much easier. I don't know why everything doesn't include these. And finally, is it easy to adjust? Yes, the knobless clamp design makes tightening or loosening a breeze. It includes that Allen wrench, that hex wrench, so there's no knobs to fumble. And thanks to the ridged wooden grooves, your blanket, your quilt stays perfectly straight. Finally, in summary, it's a well-built, quilt-friendly design, easy to install, heavy quilts aren't a problem, the hardware's included, it's easy to adjust, and if you're looking for a polished, practical way to showcase your quilts or your textiles, check this out. I think you're gonna love it.